Hi friends, today we're going to play a really fun math activity. For this math activity, I've created a 10 frame. This might be something new for you, so feel free to make your own at home. A 10 frame is simply 2 rows of 5 frames, all together creating a 10 frame. Come with me as I play my 10 frame game. First, I'm going to pick a numeral card. These are the same numeral cards that I made last week. Again, if you don't have numeral cards, you can always say the number verbally or use your fingers to show the number. I'm going to pick the number 6. 6. Then I'm going to build 6 in my 10 frame. You can use pennies, Legos, whatever toys you might have around the house. I'm going to use little counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I created 6 in my 10 frame. Now, when we're looking at this 10 frame, it's also important to realize how many empty boxes I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 empty boxes. That helps me to build my numeracy awareness to know that 4 and 6 equals 10. Use your 10 frame to help you create different ways to make the number 10. Have fun!